All right, here we got another day at My Mechanic Services. Should got a 2001, what is this, a Chevy Suburban. This car was really some things going on with it other than ground wires to the body of the engine. Had to fix those. Then the car got stuck on the side of the road once, the customer got the car fixed, thought the car was fixed. First, we was thinking it was the ground wires. Fixed the ground wires. So got to hear it back to the shop and everything. Let's see. Then I looked underneath the fuse box. Found a critter. It wasn't there, but his bed was there. Show you what I got here. So pretty much it was a bed somewhere over this direction. I cleaned it all out before I started recording. So here we go. The car was basically what the car was doing. It's kind of started up sometimes, and then it basically shut off after a while. And I was getting some codes on it. I'll show you that later. But anyway, see these wires right here. This one right there was touching that one. Then there's like three different wires. And when the fuse box basically sat down on it, we changed these relays right here. This one. Let's see, I believe we changed that one, didn't have to. And this one right here is the headlights. Let's see, this is the relay for the, what was that? The ignition. And this one was one for, let's see if I can look at this. Let's see. There's ignition and the starter. It's the ones that we changed. And we also changed this one. Didn't really need to. We also changed the headlight relay. So that didn't solve the problem. But it was like when we finally got the car started on the side of the road, I reached down here. I was pulling on this ground wire. It has another small baby ground wire, which I fixed already right there. You can see that, this wire right here. And then this one. Then the bolt that goes to the body of the engine. It was like when I pulled on that wire, didn't realize I was pushing down on the fuse box. And when I was pushing down on the fuse box, this wire right here, you can see that, this one right here was touching all those wires that was on this one. It was touching that one. And I think it might be another wire somewhere. I think that's the only one it was touching. This one, see that one up there, that right there. See, not really sure where these wires go to. I'm pretty sure it goes to the computer, and the computer pretty much was trying to save itself. These wires was singed. You can see the green on that one right here, this bottom one. That one, that was touching that wire. And I used the test light. This wire right here is pretty much a hot wire. That's a hot wire. This wasn't this is a ground wire that was touching. Then it was also touching this orange wire right here. All these wires, this wire, see this wire definitely got to be fixed. That bottom wire, this one right here, has to be fixed so it won't touch each other. And get that all fixed up. And this wire right here has to be fixed up also. Do some more digging. But yeah, it was definitely a critter. I cleaned out all this. A little bed was somewhere right there. I sprayed it out and everything. I don't see any more wires. Maybe this one almost is about to get wherever that wire goes to. That goes to one of the relays. That's the ignition relay, I believe. Let me see. That one. That looks like that's the ignition relay. I don't think it was touching whatever it was doing. Oh wait, there's another one. That one right there. That wire right there. Where's that going? That looks like the relay wire that we replaced. Yes. See if I look at it from here. Go up. The green wire goes up to there. Let me see. This wire right here. That's on the other side of this dock right there. Goes back here. This wire. See if I can. That looks like the ignition wire. Yes, that is the ignition wire. Right there. The relays. Let's see if that other relay has any. Turn this box over. It might have some other wires down there that needs to be fixed. See, I know that wire right there is definitely going to that relay. That one right there. This one. So gotta fix that one. That one. Let's see. I don't think this one really needs to be but taped up. But it was seemed like it was touching something. So it's definitely a mess. Now after everything's said and done, after we pull wires apart, pull this wire away from it, car starts up and run. I basically started the car up, kind of push this over a little bit as far as I can get it with the hood closed. Took it on test drive just a little bit with the hood open. Did not shut off, did not puddle or anything. So yeah, that's the problem. Yeah, matter of fact, I think that green wire that I was looking at, that was the fuel pump relay. Let's see, if I was looking at it, that's that little circle thing right there, the black. If you look underneath here, here's that circle thing right here, and here's that green wire right there. Oh wait, I wasn't showing you guys. See, this is that green wire right here, and there's that little black where that screw goes right there, and here's that green wire right there. And if you look at it from right here, there's that. Where's that? That's where that screw goes right here, right there. So this fuse right here, this one. Yeah, look at it. What does that say? Fuel pump. That's your problem, mister. Alright. We'll get this all fixed up. Get these wires nice and brand new. But you definitely gonna need some new wires. Cut some, make some wires. This one is gonna be the hardest one that basically did everything. This one. This is basically the one that basically did a lot of things. I'm not sure where these wires, this wire is 4 or 2. I can look it up. Doesn't matter if I do look it up or not. It'll save me the trouble, just fix the wire. Because I know the engine runs now. The bad boy was all green. It was done. That's your problem. Let's fix it. Let's go.